tips I'm working from the clock choke, how to apply, and escape. So remember, all forward position. This hand just come here and grab the collar. So come up a little bit, Paul. I want to try to get as deep as I can. I don't want to get loose here. Let's always get as deep as you can. So I put my hand deep. My second one, I can just put right here, the forearm. Now look, position my legs. I want to make sure that I keep my weight well, because if I'm just here, he's just going to face me here. I have no weight on him. So I got to be able to keep my weight down and keep him down. So I got this. Come through, thumb in. I just remember turn my wrist, and I start moving that way. Sometimes what happens is they start moving with me. I'll go this way, he start keep going, and I just keep going till I get the choke. All right, so I'm here, and he start coming, just moving. I go this way, he's moving. Now I just start like putting more pressure. One more time, so I have my weight right here. Thumb inside, forearm, turn up, and keep going that way. Now, what's going to happen with escape? He gets the same position here. First thing always going to try to do is chin down. I don't want to try to roll him over with this here tight because I'm going to tap anyways. So first thing always, come to the wrist, chin down, right here. So his wrist going to be right here on my chin, and if I look up, I'm just going to come deep. So I need to create the space here, pulling down. So now I'll just tuck my chin right here. Tuck inside. So as soon as I defend this, now I'm going to worry about just rolling. This one that he's attacking, I want to try to keep my elbow in because I'm going to take him that side. So if I keep loose, he might let go and pulse over that side. So as soon as I defend, when I put my chin down, this one I'm going to keep holding, but with my elbow in. Now this one, I grab the pants. Now look one thing. Let me show one thing, Paul. When I'm here, I have my base, right? Now I'm going to bring both knees together and just hop to the side. This way. I was here, both knees together, come to the side. As I jump to the side, that's when I take him all the way over. So one more time, Paul, come here. So first thing, boom, chin down, defend. This one, I'm going to keep defending here. Squeeze it. Grab the pants. Now look, my knees. My knees just come in both. And I'm taking to the other side. Go ahead. The first thing, defend. Chin down. Now that I'm defending, I keep my right hand, I'm still going to keep here. So we can avoid to keep going to choke because we can. And they go inside. All right. Let's try it this way here so I can see my legs. Hopping inside. So I was defending. And look, pay attention to my legs. I was here. Finish. And just face him. So this is how we're going to apply. We're going to practice the choke. Now, Paul gets a choke, and I just practice the escape. So as soon as you got this, from the fence, inside. One more. Now we switch. Now I got to choke, and Paul needs to roll out. So I come to the side, make sure to keep my weight down. Now I got this. One more. With this, both can practice the move. One practices the clock choke, the other one practices the skate.